Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this example on definite integrals. If the integral of px squared plus 16 with respect to the x is equals to 129, we have to find the value of p. But notably is that this integral is between 3 and 0. Now, the first thing I want us to remember is when we have the integral of ax raised to power n with respect to the x, we'll express it as ax raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now we will use that to first simplify this integration before applying the boundaries. Now my px squared plus 16 with respect to the x will begin to look like px raised to power 2 plus 1, that's my n plus 1, over 2 plus 1 plus 16x raised to power 0, because 16 is same thing as writing 16x raised to power 0 plus 1 all over 1, all bounded between 3 and 0. So that this is the same thing as writing px raised to power 3 over 3 plus 16x bounded between 3 and 0 is equals to 129. Now we can begin to substitute for x. Now that is p now into 3 raised to power 3 over 3 plus 16 into 3 minus, we now pick the 0, that will be p into 0 over 0 plus 16 into 0. Obviously, p times 0 is 0 and 16 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So I'll be left with, now don't let's forget that this is equals to 129. So I'll be left with p now into 27 over 3 plus 48 equals 129. So that 3 here is 1, 3 in 27 is 9. So that 9p plus 48 equals 129. 9p equals 129 minus 48. That's the same thing as 81. That's 81. So that my p now equals 81 over 9, which is same thing as 9. With this, I hope you understand how I treated this definite integral. Then I appreciate you share your questions and comment with us through our comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.